Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Graphics with Malak. So today we are going to discuss crop tool and some additional tools which are included in crop tool. So let's start our crop tool. Here is our crop tool. Crop tool, we can resize our picture by using crop tool like this. If I want to resize and focus on this part of the picture, I can use crop tool. Crop tool can easily do that for me. When you complete your process, you can see only the area that you have cropped will be displayed on your screen. But crop tool have some additional features. If you click again on crop tool and click on the picture, you can see the remaining part or remaining data of the picture already exist. If you check this option on the top property bar and press OK or commit button, then you do not have option to get back the data that relate to this picture. वो permanently deleted. If you click on a exit button or a reset button, then you will be able to get data back. Control Alt Z to undo an action. But if you save your file, then you will not be able to get the image, original image, of course. So if you using crop tool, then first of all uncheck this option that will keep your data relate to this image. If you by mistake make some changes in your picture, then you will be able to redo or you revert your option. You can also use F12 on your keyboard to reverse your option. It will set your picture the snapshot that you already created by using history tool. I have a picture and I want to use my crop tool and I want to see only this area and I want focus on the object little babies. I can also set by using this option. Here are some presets are pre-built here. Some presets are here. I can also do by using enter values like 4:6 or 6:4. This is the option you can use to crop the picture exact proportional way and press OK. Then your picture will cropped. And if you want that some portion of the picture is not straight like horizontal line, crop tool also contain a tool, a subtool that is called straighten. You can click on a straighten and draw a straight line to straight any object like this. Even it will tilt the objects. Here I can make this picture more straightened like this. You can see that the difference before and after. Straighten tool straight the picture for us, so we can easily manage the pictures more accurately and we can remove the tilt option or a rotate option in our pictures. This option is very useful for us. Some extra tools are available in crop tool like perspective crop tool, slice tool and slice select tool. Slice tool and slice select tool are some extra tools that are added into crop tool. Only two tools are mainly focused: perspective crop tool and crop tool. By select the crop tool, you can also check or click on refresh or a reset button that will reset your image to previous point. If you check the delete crop pixel option, then your data related to this picture or data relating to this picture will be permanently deleted. Crop tool automatically change the background layer like this to unlocked. How it work? Again, take a look. I click on it. I change the proportion from 5/7 like this. You can see that the check shift from this picture and lock unlocked. And lock is unlocked. You can commit or you can using enter key on your keyboard to enter or you cropped as you finish your work. Crop work finished. You can also use reset button or Control Alt Z button to go back to the previous state in a locking state. Here and I can also use a straighten tool in a crop tool, straighten tool. Horizon, actually it works for horizon where earth and sky match like this. Horizon or a straighten tool work for me very beautiful way, convert this picture in a beautiful angle. This picture was little rotated, so straighten tool straight this image for me. So it is much beautiful than oldest form of this picture. So this is our tool. Crop tool also work for very beautiful for. If you want this pattern straight form, you can use this tool. This is a perspective tool like this. This is my pattern. I want to see this pattern in a flattened way, but this picture is very small, so it will not work on this picture. I will use other picture, but your picture should large, otherwise this process will not work. So if I click on this side, this option work best on textual form. This is very small picture, so it does not work on it. You can use this option on text documents to look these documents in a perspective way. These documents are not usually fully perspective. They are tilt from one side or from other side, top, bottom, left or right. So this tool straight all document files you capture from your mobile. A tool, handy tool also available like Cam Scanner, but you can use this tool in a Photoshop to straight your images or to view your images in a perfect angle, perfect perspective. So these are our today tools like crop tool and perspective crop tool. And other useful tool which is eyedropper tool. This tool is used to check a color, to collect a color or to set a color, foreground, background color. So this color is normally set your foreground color, which color you select from your eyedropper tool from your picture like this. If you want to set multiple colors, you can use the sample tool. Sample tool yani color picker sample tool. Like I sample this color. You can also see color display or color property display are here, like this color and this color. 4 color at a time may be select and their properties are here like this. You can see that the all properties of the color, their RGB value are display no here. You can choose this color and know if I want to create a new object and I want to select these color that I have already selected, I can easily do that. Click on this side, check this option, OK, and Alt backspace, create another object. Eyedropper tool, check this option, foreground color change, Control backspace, and other object creation. Eyedropper tool plus I is a shortcut. check this option, color change, alt background. So this is a way it works for us. Control D to deselect the object. I have made all objects on one layer, on a background layer. You should not do this like that I do. Always create a new layer and create objects on new layer one by one. Otherwise all object will be mixed up and it will not be possible for us to reassemble the objects or to move the objects. Whole object will be moved. This is a background layer, so we can move this layer, but if I unlock this layer and I try to move my object, all my objects are no moving. I am not able to select a single object because I have made all the objects on a single layer. You should not do like this. Make the object on a separate layer. So this was our beautiful lecture on this option. Also contain some other option like ruler. They gave us measurement like this, exact measurement, and it contain also contain notes. If you want to add a note to a specific area, you can also write a note. For example, you want to write some note about this shoes, you can do that. Press on a note. Here is my note. Note note 1, and this is our note 2. Click on it. Note 2. So this is a note 1, this is a note 2, and this is a this note is about our shoes. So note 2 is about to shoe. So note 1 is about to hills behind the baby. So this is a way we can use our color selection tool, our node tool, and perspective tool, crop tool. Thank you so much for watching my video content. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.